I'm over here at Sean's, I think it's like farm equipment repair, but Sean is Skylar B's dad, who I got the front end for the Vega, the fiberglass one. So they got a bunch of Vegas, stuff like that, but he works at the Muncie drag strip. So he wants me to come out and do the exhaust on his little 3rd gen. I think it's pretty freaking cool. 3rd gen. He's got a little bracket car. It's got a 6.0 in it. So I'm trying not to move the camera as much, but I'm doing the exhaust in it. So he's got a little exhaust kit, and we're going to trying to do exhaust. So it's got to go, sorry, try not to move as much, up and over the trans mount, and then he wants it to come straight back and literally just get dumped right here by the end of right here. So really, and I literally just put these up in there to make work, just to see. I'll take this one back a little bit, take this one back, but they'll come up over this, go into an H pipe literally right here, and come straight out and then just get cut. But yeah, he was gonna put V-bands on it, but he wants to be able to take the pan out without taking the exhaust out. So we're gonna have to do something. We're gonna just make these slip joints like this. So really not that bad. Should be pretty quick and easy. It looks really good. This thing's cool. It's a cool little 3rd gen. I'm not much of a 3rd gen guy, but they've done the right work to it. It's got 4-link. They put a new rear end in it. They've done all the tin work. I think it's pretty freaking sweet. Little Ronald McDonald car, I drive it. Straight, we're good to go. Be more like straight the body, good to go. Everything up here is straight. Yes, sir. Alrighty, it's in. There's both. So you go under it. Oh, sorry, I had to move the pedal. So it goes up, down, around, in, and then flush cut down there. So you can see if you look from under, both those bins are semi-close. Everything looks symmetrical to an extent. Height-wise, about the same. This side, if anybody knows, on a 3rd gen is really close, and then there's a bunch of room for activities over here. So yeah, it's just one of those things, but I think it looks all good and everything's there. And then from the side view, I mean, shoot, looks pretty good to me. Headers are literally the lowest thing there. So yeah, it's there. Now, these are gonna be kind of a pain because there's kind of a bigger gap right there because of course this is a slip joint on both sides. So yeah, you can see that's going to be fun to try to weld, but not bad. These are all slip joints, so everything should be pretty simple to weld, but should be what I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 10 welds. So that's about it, but there she is. There's it straight with the motor. I mean, it's pretty good. All right, so exhaust is done. All we're doing right now is just he's cutting some bolts to fit through the holders that we made and got on there, but she's done. The cross member's out because I couldn't get that out without the cross member out, but it's there.